So, today is a big day for this build. I received a ton of packages here that I'm going to open and explain to you what it is. But I can tell you, this is probably most of the components needed to take this car into the 7-second range. In my first package, I have fuel pumps. These are some modified Bosch 044 style external fuel pumps. They are in the packaging now. These will support up to 850 horsepower each. And I want a beef fuel system. So of course I opted for 2 of these. I also received a package full of all things needed for my fuel injectors. These are Bosch genuine fuel injectors, and they are rated to 1200 cc's. I think that's maybe like 110 pound injectors or something. They are rated for up to maybe 1050 horsepower on E85, but that's on a 3-bar fuel pressure application. So these will take me up to 1000 horsepower, and then I always can increase the fuel pressure a little bit, and hopefully they will get me close at least. These are actually the same type of injectors as I'm running in the Camaro. So when I'm growing out of these and have to buy new ones, I can always just slap them in the Camaro. And to the main event, I also purchased 2 turbos. These are basically an HX40 hold-set turbo, but they are modified, they are better balanced, they have better bearings, and they have a billet compressor wheel. And let's get to cutting. I can say, speeding, this is not a sponsored video, but they really ship everything nicely. There's tons of packaging and really quick delivery. Big supporter. In the first package here, I will have the turbo itself. As I said, real good foam packaging. And here's the turbo itself. The exhaust housing is in the other package. Is, as I said, a hold set HX40, but it's been modified for racing applications. It's called Hurricane Super 40. So Hurricane is the brand that's modifying these, and it's a billet wheel. They also come with all the fittings pre-installed. The only thing you have to do is basically bolt on the exhaust housing that fits your application. This is a 16, it's a twin entry exhaust housing, number 16. I think it's maybe like a bit over 1 AR. So I think it will fit my LS engine perfectly. And yeah, I'm really happy, and I've heard these are really good. I haven't told you this yet, but my goal for this engine is to pump out maybe 1200 horsepower. I think these turbos will get me to around 1200 horsepower. They are rated for up to 750 horsepower each. But they have a T3 exhaust flange. So if I grew tired of these and grew out of these, I can always bolt in some bearing or roller bearing units, and I can get the extra power from there. So one turbo here, one turbo here. I still have to figure out the exhaust of everything. The intake is on its way. It looks exactly like this intake. This is my 1967 Camaro. This is my street unit or street car. It's a 6-liter LS, and it's basically a twin engine to this engine. This engine was actually the first engine that I built for this car. But this is a 6-liter, this is a 5.3. This is all forged, nice pistons, diamond pistons, it's K1 rods. Everything is balanced, it's nice lifters, it's a nice roller timing chains, and it's a nice bearing the timing chain set, and it's a melding high volume, high flow pump. So this was a really short unpacking video. This is not my usual content, but I wanted you to see, and I wanted you to know what the future holds. So if you like my content here, please don't forget to subscribe. It will support me and the YouTube algorithm greatly. And yeah, like, comment, everything. I will answer your comments as far as I can. And I will see you next time.